roof mount we're working on right now. We've got it all welded together. These are the parts that are going to go up on the roof mount. We've got a permanent magnet alternator that we built. This is the blade rotor. I'm going to put the blades in there. This is the adjusting plate to adjust the alternator to the rotating shaft. This is a little cap if you're going to mount this on top of a pole. You screw this into the top of your pole outside, and then your tube, the mounting tube, goes down in there, and you bolt down the mounting tube. But since we're not using a pole mount, we're using a roof mount. This is our mounting tube right here. We slide into, and then that'll be locked down with bolts down in this section. So I'll show you how these pieces go together. Okay, this is your adjustable plate. You adjust the alternator up and down so you can align the pulley. This pulley goes on your alternator there. That pulley has to line up with the pulley on this end of the shaft. So that's your sliding plate to bring the alternator up and down for aligning your belt. This side, it's bolted onto your tube, like so. Fits right in there. So we'll get that bolted up and then show you how it all fits together. That can go right up on top of the top taper. So that gives you a good idea of what this is going to look like when your blades are on and it's spinning around. And you can hold that assembly up. Get some bolts in it. Okay. Missing a bolt. Oh, it's up there. Okay. leave it a little loose. There. And allows you to align this pulley, because that pulley goes all the way up there. Looks like we have our bolt upside down. Head should go down there. So this is exactly where your pulley on the alternator goes. And that's got to line up with your pulley that you put on this side, which will probably be down about halfway. So this has to come down a little, like that. That'll line up with your pulley once that pulley's on. And once it's perfectly in line, just tighten these up. That's how your adjuster works.
Are you actually getting the power from the alternator to your house or whatever you're trying to power?
You got one electrode here, that's your positive, and then the case is negative, or ground. You can see the ground there. So you just put on like a common house wire, like 12-2G, wire that on, and then loop it around, put an in conduit from here all the way down in plastic conduit.
Okay.
I made my own thread for standard. It's like standard 9/16 thread, 1/16 fine, so you can use just standard knots. You can make any thread you want on a lathe, any diameter, any thread fineness or coarseness. You do it all on the lathe. So that's as far as we've gotten. Now we have to order in pulley, and you got to put this tapered shape on the pulley. And then there's a right there. So I threaded both ends of this shaft, so you can put a bolt in there. You could have left a little bit longer and threaded it for a nut. Now I'm putting bolts in the end. It's easier because you're just drilling and then tapping with the thread.